Two portals including the anteromedial portal and anterolateral portal are created in a step-by-step manner. Then a shaver is introduced to clean up the hyperplastic synovial tissue to achieve a clear view in the ankle dorsiflex position. After a full arthroscopic exploration, the lateral collateral ligaments and the nonunion fragment of the distal fibula are observed under direct arthroscopic view. The nonunion fragment is then completely removed from the fascial attachment with a shaver and a cautery under arthroscopic view. Prior to reattach the ligament, it should be defined if the anterior talofibular ligament present a partial or complete lesion. The TFL is released proximally from its origin on the distal fibula fragment. The footprint for the fibular attachment of the lateral collateral ligaments is debrided with a shaver or a curette introduced through the anterolateral portal. The drill is directed from anterior to posterior and parallel to the plantar plane as well as the plane of the lateral gutter. One knot anchor is placed in the middle point of the fibular TFL footprint via the anterolateral portal. A spinal needle is introduced through the accessory anterolateral position, and under direct arthroscopic visualization, the remanent TFL, or the superior retinaculum, is penetrated from lateral to medial. The limb of anchor suture is pulled back with PDS suture through the anterolateral portal. Pull back the suture to know if there is a good capture of the remanent tissue. After one limb of the suture passing through a loop suture, the TFL is tensioned with the ankle slightly everted. The knot is tied using a knot pusher. The arthroscopic repair of the TFL is finished.